in this question he is saying that the number of ways to distribute 20 identical chocolates. Note that one of these choice is correct only if the chocolates are identical. Therefore, I am saying identical word must be there. The number of ways to distribute 20 identical chocolates among 3 students such that each student gets at least one chocolate is. You have to find the correct choice. Before I do this question, I will say remember this formula that if x1, x2 up to xk are natural numbers, then number of solutions of the equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xk equal to n are n minus 1 c k minus 1. For example, if I say there is the equation x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 5, then number of natural solutions of this equation will be 5 minus 1 c, 3 minus 1 that is 4 c 2 that is 6. And if you want to see those solutions, one of the solution will be 1, 1 and 3. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. You can see very easily there is no other solution of this equation given that x1, x2, x3 are all natural numbers. That is, this I have given the explanation, otherwise direct formula is that number of natural solution is given by this formula. As there are 3 students, let x1 is the number of chocolates given to first student, x2 is the number of chocolates given to second student, x3 is the number of chocolates given to third student, and because sum is 20, we have got this equation, and every solution of this equation will be indicating towards a way of distributing. For example, one solution of this is say 7, 5, 8. It means first student has got 7 chocolates, second student has got 5 chocolates, third student has got 8 chocolates. Note that 7, 8, 5, this solution is different from this solution because in this first student has got 7, second student has got 8 and third has got 5. For example, one more is 2, 5, 13, and there are many solutions. According to formula, number of solutions are 20 minus 1 c, 3 minus 1 that is 19 c 2. Hence I can say second choice is correct. But if you are thinking that where is the use of the word identical has come, actually all these steps are correct if identical chocolates is given to us. But if the chocolates are distinct, then this whole solution will not be correct. In that case, the formula is different.